Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can claim and withdraw your MemeFi token directly into your OKX Web3 wallet. Claiming your MemeFi token or your MemeFi Airdrop into your OKX wallet is very easy, so just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step now is to tap on Airdrop. You can see where it is written Airdrop, so let me go ahead now to tap on it. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. This is where you're going to find your airdrop allocation. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to look for the option to claim using your OKX Web3 wallet. So guys, you can see where it is written claim to OKX Web3 wallet, claiming on chain using your OKX wallet on SU. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on it. You can see where the arrow is pointing. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You can see what's written there. Check details once again before claim. You can see your allocation will be claimed on the following wallet. You can see my wallet address right there. And one thing you have to make sure is that make sure your OKX wallet is connected to your MemeFi before you can go through this process. So guys, now you can see the details of the transaction I'm going to be doing now. You can see my balance right there. You can see the fee, the MemeFi fee, and you can see what I'm going to be receiving in my OKX wallet. So guys, what you have to do quickly is just to tap on where you can see confirm. Once you tap on confirm, your MemeFi token is going to be deposited into your OKX wallet. So guys, let me tap on confirm right away. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. Let me do that quick. Wow guys, you can see the next step. You can see what's written there. Transactions are loading. Please wait. So guys, now with this now you can know that the forwarding of your MemeFi token have started, the deposition of your MemeFi token to your OKX wallet have started. You can see what's written there, claimed tokens. You can see the wallet address that I use in claiming it, and also you can see the total amount of MemeFi token that are claimed. You can see it's right there, the arrow is pointing at it. It's being encircled right there. So guys, now let me go back, let me cancel out of this now. So guys, now you can see my balance has actually reduced to 0. You can see what's written there. They said success, the airdrop is on its way to your connected wallet. That means my OKX wallet. So guys, what I have to do now is just to wait for a few seconds or few minutes or some hours for it to reflect on my OKX wallet. I will have to go over to my OKX wallet to check it if that's reflected. So guys, now this way I can be able to claim and withdraw your MemeFi token directly into your OKX wallet. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.